Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So as you all know, I've been attending so many weddings. So I thought I'll do a versatile makeup look for you guys, which can be done for any function and can be worn on any outfit. Also, you guys might be thinking why my skin is glowing so much today. So I'll tell you why. Since a long time I didn't get my facial done because of the COVID. Then recently I finally realized that because of that my pores are getting blocked and I'm getting a lot of acne. It is always like शादी किसी की भी तैयारी सबकी. So I thought I'll get my facial done. But due to work and as you can see there's wedding season going on, so much is going on, I really didn't have time. And then I came across Urban Company. They provide variety of facials, cleanups, and they provide at-home services at our comfort, which is the best part. So I thought I'll give it a try. To be frank, I was quite unsure whether I call someone at home or not. But after seeing the service, I am amazed. She had mask on whole time. She was a professional. She was punctual and hygienic. She made sure to sanitize everything before starting her job. She made the bed and set up a cute little workstation near my bed. These are the products she used and this is the whole setup. Facial I chose was Foaming Glow Wine Facial. It was very refreshing. She gave me a super relaxing massage while doing facial. Most unique part was this mold mask, which helped my skin to tighten, hydrate and brighten as well. After the service, she cleaned up everything, sanitized again. There was no mess. I had to do nothing at all. I'm totally happy with the service provided. After the facial, I could literally feel my skin going so smooth. I'm so happy with the decision of booking the salon service at home. I would definitely suggest you all to try Urban Company at least once. My experience was amazing. Everything was smooth, crisp and perfect. I totally loved the experience. That's the reason I'm sharing it with you guys. I'll be putting up a link for you guys so you can go and directly download their app. So now let's get started. I have already prepped my skin. I'm using a primer from Swiss Beauty. Then I'm using green corrector to cover all the redness around my face. This one is from LA Gold Pro Concealer. Just covering the redness. Next I'm going to conceal this corrector with LA Gold Pro Concealer Medium Beige. That's how I get my makeup usually done for wedding. It's super quick and easy. You can definitely skip the corrector part if you don't have much imperfection. You can directly go with the concealer. After concealing, I am going to use a foundation. I am using MAC Studio Fix foundation. As I have a lot of acne and marks, I prefer full coverage foundation. It's a high coverage foundation, that's the reason I like to wear it for weddings. Lighting my under eye with Maybelline Insta Age Divine. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Just look up and apply under your eye. As I used full coverage foundation, I'm going with the loose powder just to set it. I don't want more product on my face. Now to set my base, I'm using Swiss Beauty setting spray. Move on to eyes. As I was talking about a versatile makeup look, what you need to do is take a kajal pencil, apply a liner very close to your lower lash line, dab on it so that it gets blended. We need a little smudge, that's it. It's the crucial part. So the reason I told you that this look can be worn on any outfit is after doing this, you can pick color as per your outfit. So if your outfit is blue colored, you can just go with the blue on top of it. Or if it's pink, you can go with the pink. So you can pick color as per your outfit. Now that I decided to go with the brown, I'm just going to smudge it off and apply some gold on it. Now just leave the brown which is closer to your lash line and start blending only the top. amazing eye makeup look. I'll do the same on this eye. Now it's done on both the eyes. I'll just put some glitter on my inner corner. Using my favorite mascara from L'Oreal. This mascara is just amazing. I love it. MAC bronzing powder to contour. Using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Lipstick I'm using NYX. So that's all guys, here's the final look. I am all ready and I'm all set to go for the wedding. I totally love that I decided to do a facial. It was so easy to do makeup after that. Would definitely suggest you guys to try. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel.